Well, sticking with that layoff story, while real estate investor Bill Rudin told Squawk Box this morning, don't bet against New York, the drastic job cuts in both tech and Wall Street are having an impact on that state's revenues. Robert Frank joins me now with a look at the looming crisis both here in New York, in that area, and, of course, on the West Coast as well. Robert.
Hey, Dom. Well, as you were just mentioning, a lot of these layoffs are high-income jobs in tech, finance, services, and that's starting to show up in the tax collections. California tax revenue falling 4% over the past year. New York down 1%. The rest of the states are actually up 11%. New York and California down more than 10% now from their peak last year. One reason is the falling stock market and all that tech wealth that's reduced the capital gains revenue. But the big worry right now is that withholding taxes, so that's payroll taxes, those are all also falling. Dan Clifton at Strategas says unemployment is rising in both states, especially among the high-income workers who, of course, pay more taxes. Bonus income is falling. Wall Street bonuses down 26% this year. And wealth flight, those high-income taxpayers who moved out during the pandemic, they may now finally be showing up on the tax rolls. Both states have potential budget problems now as a result of all this, especially as the federal aid from the pandemic starts to run out. California had a $100 billion surplus just 6 months ago. Now it is looking at a $22 billion deficit. New York's budget is delayed as the state legislature battles the governor over spending and potential tax hikes on the wealthy. New York City also facing a sudden squeeze from higher spending and slower revenue. Mayor Adams saying a $4 billion budget hole in New York City will force cuts in almost every city agency. So, Dom, you have to add potentially some state job cuts with all these other private sector job cuts.
We've just got a couple seconds left here, Robert. I have to ask, what could this impact be for a potential recession?
Well, look, if two of the biggest states have to cut jobs along with some of the biggest cities, that's going to cut payrolls and add to these layoffs and cut taxes even further.
All right. Robert Frank with the latest there on the tax situation. Thank you very much. And before we go, I want to draw your attention to a result from just coming out from a new Just Capital survey regarding layoffs. 41% of respondents said mass layoffs will improve profits short term, but only 26% think that will hold for the longer-term benefit of companies. And when it comes to the overall economy, nearly 71% of Americans see job cuts as having a negative impact, from our friends over at Just Capital.